See this guys, Facebook, which have created a new venture and startup. He is paying you 100k plus $1,000 to 180k plus $1,000 salary. Okay, how different kind of startups are paying you a good amount. You can see 130k $1,000, 210k $1,000. No matter guys, no matter which country you are living in. Okay, you can apply for this job, these kind of jobs remotely. How you can apply it? Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn from this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just following some simple steps. Okay, so guys, lots and lots of my subscribers are saying that thing and they have personally mailed me a question that, sir, we have lost our jobs and what do we need to do in order to get a decent job, and we can earn by whatever tactics you are saying me, that whatever passive income you are saying me. For till then guys, what you can do, you can hire a decent job. Okay, and guys, due to this COVID-19 condition, many of my students and my audience have lost their job. Okay, so don't worry guys, I always be with you, and I just show you a simple website where guys, this is COVID-19 verified hiring is there. Okay, so there is no fake promise from this website. Okay, it's a genuine website. And one more thing guys, one more thing, the audience out there is less as compared to other job posting websites. Okay, so what do I need to do guys? What do I need to do? I just need to come up on this website, and guys, I just gave you the link of this website in the description box, so you just redirect it to this page. Okay, so you can see guys, they have so guys, basically I just gave you an introduction that there are lots and lots of companies guys. You can see Uber, Amazon, Flipkart. So guys, these companies have invested their shares on certain startups. So these are the startups where they are paying you a good amount. Already guys, already you can see that $1 billion plus startups are there. So there is a huge growth that you can, and guys, we all know opportunity, and you guys are amazing to grab that opportunity. Okay, I just want to give you some opportunities, and it depends upon you that how well you grab that opportunity and make millions out of it. Okay, so don't worry if you lost your job. I always be with you, always stand by your side, and just show you how you can earn. You can see guys, this is genuine website. You can see 130k plus salary in dollars guys. Okay, this website is giving. So you might ask me a question that, sir, I'm not a software developer and I'm not having any big profile. Don't worry guys, I just show you, it doesn't matter you are a software developer or a designer, everyone can find a job on this website, everyone. Okay, and it's a good paying startups which are actually successful. Okay, get this point? So I just show you step by step. Okay guys, so what do I need to do? So guys, what do I need to do? I just show you some startups. Okay, startup jobs. Okay, so that they're always a motivation. Okay, so that you can apply. You can see guys, these are genuine startups. Okay, you can see that names are not very popular because these are startups. Okay, but the companies who have invested on these startups are great. And you can see guys, workforce on these companies are minimum. Okay, 5,000 to 1,000. Okay, so let's begin our job and let's see how we can grab a job. Okay, just follow these steps. So just click on this find a job. Okay, and what do you do guys? You can continue with Google so that automatically verification of your account would be done. Facebook and Twitter. Okay, I just show you manually how I do. Okay, so I just need to give my mail ID. Okay, and my password. Okay, just click on this sign up button and you are redirected to different page. So wait for this and you are redirected. So this is a page that you have verified. You can see that, guys, now showing COVID verified hiring. Okay, so don't worry, guys. Okay, if you lost your job, don't worry, we'll find out a way. And guys, whatever you are in country, whether you are from USA, okay, whether you are from USA, whether you are from Italy, okay, whether you are from India, okay, don't worry, you can apply it. Okay, so you can find out. And guys, this is a more important section that I want to give you. You can find out different kind of job: software developer, mobile developer, Android developer, front end engineer, okay, data engineer, security, DevOps, designers as well. Okay, I want to show you a demo of a designer. Okay, you can see product manager, operation, HR, office manager, recruiter, sales job if you can do, okay, accountancy, marketing. So there are different kind of jobs, guys. Whatever job and niche you have, you can apply it. Okay, a simple niche which I want to show you is designer job. Okay, so just what you can do, guys. So guys, my channel audience is both who are currently working and who are currently not working. So I just take minimum requirement that whether you are not working, you just click on this, or if you are working, you can give your job title and the company name which you have worked upon previously. Okay, so it would be more simple for you. Okay, so you can give your own website if you are having, or your LinkedIn profile. I'm not giving it. Okay, so you can give it. Just click on this create your profile and you are redirected to this page. Just follow along this, guys. Okay, and you can find a job on contract basis as well as an internship as well if you want some experience. Okay, so for the students who want their college internships, they can also apply. Okay, so this is good. And you can give your own salary, guys. For a mediocre and middle class family in United States, I just gave $50,000. Okay, so I just gave this job this dollars. Okay, and just gave you the job profile which I have already did. Okay, so we do not have to look. And you can see, guys, this is very important. I'm open to work remotely. Okay, you just need to click on this thing. Okay, whether you are from United States, whether you are from China, India, Pakistan, wherever you are, okay, you can apply here. Okay, you just need to. And guys, if you are not a citizen of United States, you can click on this no, otherwise you can select the yes. And guys, you can see would you like to work with company size? So I'm compatible initially, guys. I'm compatible with everything. Okay, you can see I'm compatible with everything, so I just tick mark whatever employee size is there. Okay, just click on the save and continue and you are redirected to this page. Okay, so what do I need to do, guys? What do I need to do? You just need to write what environment do you work in better. Okay, just click on this and just give maximum important to you in the next job, which is your next job in this platform. Okay, opportunities and challenging problems. So these are the two categories which I have selected. So is it important in the next job have a flexible remote working policies? Yes, important. How important is that you work in a quiet office? So not important. Why? Because guys, you want job. Okay, so whatever you, if you are from village, okay, if you are from rural areas, not belong to urban areas, so there is no quiet place. Okay, so it might happen that, guys, there are some noises, so you should always be compatible with working. Okay, this shows your attitude that no matter how bad the situation is, this person is always flexible to work. Okay, so this is why I have written this. Okay, so this is most important thing, that, guys, describe what you looking for in the next job. Okay, you can describe it, guys. So guys, I have written a small description, you can see. Okay, you can write your own description. I have just show you a demo that what is there, what is what is a question, that why you need a job, okay, and why you need to get a next job on this platform. Okay, so this is a good description. You can even copy paste this thing or you can write your own. Okay, just click on this save and continue. Okay, so you just need to upload your resume. Guys, if you do not know how to make resume, best resume, so you just come up Google and just type in online resume maker free. Okay, so you just come up on this resumebuild.com. okay, and there are hundreds and hundreds of websites, guys, which will create a resume for you. Okay, you just need to just give your name, your last name, address, city. Okay, just save and exit means you're based upon your template, what you can see. Okay, you can see there are lots and lots of templates. I just show you. You can see, guys. Okay, so you can create your own template. You see this, this is a template. Okay, hundreds and hundreds of templates. Okay, you just need to create it and just need to download it. It will download free. I have one, so I just show you resume. My resume is this. Okay, guys, so there is an error. Okay, let me just see. Okay, so this is a thing that, guys, this should be checked. Okay, and you are automatically redirected to this page. Okay, guys, so guys, what you need to do, so this is a page that is come in front of you, and how to apply on this job. This is the most important question. That's how to apply for the job. Okay, you can see, guys, you can set up your own. If you want to work on remotely, only remote jobs, no remote jobs, include remote jobs. Okay, you can specify your own niche, and you can set up that whether you need to work on Asia and different places. Okay, you can see this, and you see this, guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of jobs which are COVID verified hiring. Okay, lots and lots of websites are there, guys, who are not hiring. Okay, you just need to apply this on that, and you are not getting any reply. So this is a genuine website, guys, where you can apply and getting paid a good amount of money. Okay, so how to apply it? Okay, I just show you. You just need to click on this apply button. Okay, just need to click on this apply button, and this is a small pop-up. So what you need to do, guys, why should we hire you? You are hiring, contact is this. So why should I hire you? Okay, so this is a way that you can give. So what you need to give, guys, this is a paragraph which I have developed for you guys. Okay, this is the answer that you need to type. Okay, just need to copy this thing. Just pause this video and just copy paste this. Okay, which will help you to get a job, decent job. Okay, just copy it. So that, guys, I have tried lots and lots of ways for you guys, because you guys are amazing. And don't worry if you have lost your job, I'm always be with you. If you are having any comments as per your niche, you can write down in the comment section. So this is a paragraph, guys. Okay, you just need to pause this video and just type down. Okay, type it down and just need to send the application. That simple, guys, that simple. Okay, you can see this applied, and guys, instant mail is going on to your email ID what you have registered. Okay, so this is a step how you can get a job, decent job on this website. Okay, guys. Oh, one thing more I just need to tell you, guys. Okay, you just need to come on this profile section, and I just want you guys, it's good that you have uploaded your resume, guys, but what you need to do, guys, you just need to come up here and type your experience, projects that you have did, your education background, and your these are some credentials that you need to follow. Okay, so that your resume on this website. Okay, there are two resumes. One is that you have created, and one is this website is already created. Okay, so this website will recommend you automatically. One way is that you manually apply for the job, and another way is your this website will automatically post a job, will automatically recommend you on the suggested companies, on the niche that you have entered. So this is a platform where you can apply your job and get your job done instantly. Okay, So I hope you like this video, guys. If you are having any doubt, you can write down on the comment section. And don't worry, guys, if you have lost your job, just have some faith. Have some faith in me, and I continuously, guys, every day I just post for you guys different kind of opportunities that you can apply for. Okay, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, happy earning.